What if a premium wellness care comes with an affordable pricing?
At Royal Medical Center, we beat competitor pricing by up to 25%.
With no hidden fees, and everything is included, which makes us one of the most affordable hormone therapy options in the country. Because when your hormones, metabolism, or overall wellness feel off, every part of life feels it. That's why we start with advanced diagnostics and precise testing to understand exactly what your body needs. Our hormone therapy programs are for both men and women, which is developed to help restore balance, support energy, improve focus, enhance performance, and help you feel like yourself again. Our medically guided GLP-1 weight loss programs go beyond the scale, helping support appetite control, metabolic health, sustainable weight management, and long-term wellness. And with advanced peptide therapies, we help support recovery, performance, vitality, muscle health, and healthy aging, so your body can perform at its best. Every treatment plan is personalized, simple to follow, and designed to fit seamlessly into your life. Because at Royal Medical Center, we don't just focus on how you feel today, we focus on where your health can take you tomorrow. It's time to stop settling for fine and start reaching for your peak.